folks, getting up to the tops now. This zigzag's now right at the top, and there's a big viewing point, and you can see a bit of a supermoto track down below, so hopefully we'll be up there the next 10-15 minutes. See, this is the ski area of Andorra. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. There's roadworks here, mate. I've got in this lane. Overly tight. Like I said, just take it wide and then bring it back in nice and tight. That's what she said. So we're going to end up there. There is a viewing point. Look at that. Stand up a bit. Beautiful. Oh, there's Faye. Right there. Bit of stealth camping. Go on, man. So, folks, Faye says she's freezing. So, hopefully, at the top of here, the sun's going to be on us. And it should be red hot. Let's see what gear this is so we can let Faye know. Second gear this, babe. You'll be fine. You'll be Reet. Reet as rain. Where is she? She's there, coming around now. Go on. Yay, winner. Winner, winner, winner. Gets it left on this one. Same as the others, bring it in nice and tight. Oh, it's quite big, that one. It's very open, that. Bit deceiving. Bit of deception going on. Where's the sun? It was in our face before coming out of Andorra, and like that, can't see a thing. I've even got my drop down visor down, and jeez. Oh, right, it's on you as well. First just said, have you gone blind? Aye, not so bad. You know. There's a big light on. Look at all campers. There's like millions of campers up here. Second gear up here anyway, love. It's quite open. And there's like 6,000 million camper vans here. Obviously it's free camping I'm taking. Okay, look at that. So that's what you stop in Andorra if you've got a van. You don't want to pay any currency. Even a bike there, LGS. Is it? Look where that fella's kept. He's just literally got an bed up floor. Did you see that, babe? Yeah. The fellow with GS just got an airbed up floor. Love it. So we can see, folks, there's the supermoto track. And there's supermoto Faye. We shouldn't really be stopping at this point. What we should be stopping is just the fact that we need to make some distance today. You're on a camber.
I think so, yeah. Oh shit, I haven't turned the bike off.
No, I don't think it's just worth topping up. I was still in Andorra here. We're done for the thing, aren't we?
Oh, I think we're fine, aren't we? Have you still got your camera on?
No.
I haven't. Have I? I've just turned it off.
Well folks, just like that, we're in France. Admittedly only just in France. Stone's throw in France. Well, the border's literally just around that corner there. But it's not manned today, there's no one there. So straight through. Remember one year we came in, the traffic was all the way down here. But we noticed a few bikes filtering. I thought, oh, we'll just chance our arm, and we filtered up, and when we got there, he just waved us through. So we must have missed an hour of queuing the very first time we came up. Because we've only ever come in this way once, and I don't know why that is, I don't know where we were going, but we've come in this way once. All the other times we're coming from the top end, from the Spain end. So I don't know what happened there, like. Well folks, Faye's whingy damn ears that she's cold. It's been absolutely blistering all holiday. It's just because we're in the mountains, you can see the sun's there and it is warm, like, but she's dithering and fucking moaning, and just had about 10 seconds of sun through that village then. She'll be roasting there. Piping hot. Yeah, Faye just said, you'll all be thinking I'm not being sympathetic. It's like, man up. So yeah, take some deep breaths and breathe it in. Bit of tunnelage, folks. Bit of tunnelage. 10:13 and all is well.
Well guys, we've just had our first stop in France. And what did it have to be? It had to be a Mackey's, didn't it? Because there was nothing else. Because we topped some petrol up, and now we're ready to go. So we're gonna try and clock another, what, hour and a half again. We set off at half 7 this morning from Andorra, and it's now just gone 10 o'clock. I mean, we haven't actually achieved many miles or kilometers, whatever we want to say, because it was all twisties all the way. So, and traffic, yeah, bumper to bumper traffic. So now we should be clocking some miles now, because it's not going to be as twisty. But it has always been beautiful. I got a little bit cold, I've got to admit. Got a little bit cold in the mountains. I wish I'd put my hoodie on. Sean was having a little laugh at me because I was whining, but yeah, I was a bit shivery, couldn't feel my thumbs, because as you know, everything's mesh and everything's summer attire. But it's been fantastic, it's been really, really good. I did have a crap night's sleep last night, I don't know why. Probably anxious about the ride ahead. These are the realities of touring on for your first time. You will have some little bits of anxiety, but yeah, it's been absolutely fantastic. I'm loving it. I'm not put off in any shape or form yet. Everything crossed that I'm not going to be. Oh my god, that's busy. Everyone's going into either Andorra, aren't they? I mean, even though we have done 2 hours riding, the map just says we're on the brink of Andorra, and I feel like I've been going for ages. But yeah, so glad that we got off early so that we could get out of all that horrible traffic. So we're gonna get a speed on now and clock some miles, so when we stop again in the midst of France, I will check in with you again, but I'll put the camera on, I won't talk, I'm trying to concentrate, and speak to you guys again soon. Bye now. Oh fuck. I just didn't realise we were turning that tight. Sat-nav hasn't caught up with me. Oh wow, we're going to use that as a chateau. Yeah.
Well folks, that's our last fuel stop done before we get to Lamoto. We're about 1.5 hours away, 105 k's, what, 63 miles, so we're alright. Faye's done great, loved it. It's been a doddle really. It's you don't know what to expect when you've got somebody new to touring with you, you know, whether it's just going to get to him, but no, she's flew along. So let's find a little push now. I say it's the same, no toll roads, no motorways today, just plodding along. Village after village, been nice. So at this rate, we are going to be rolling into Lamoto about half past 2, depending on whether we have another stop again. Good job I looked down then, didn't see this turning. Yeah, gabbing away then, I missed the turn nearly. Bar, tobacco and snacking. Except for the tobacco part, I'm good with that. Bar and snacking. A bit of me that. Definitely a bit of me. Ooh, glad it's not only UK that has these load of stupidly massive speed bumps. It's a nice village, isn't it? Look at it. Are you having that? Yeah, so we've not recorded shed loads on this tour. It's been moldy. It's been moldy for Faye to get used to it and that, and just enjoy it more than else. But we filmed enough. So if you're watching this, it probably is just all in one big long video, just for the sake of dragging it on. And you can just stop and start it at will. Sometimes these tour videos, by the time we get to like episode 3, it just doesn't do anything on YouTube, and it's like just absolute waste of time editing and all the rest of it. So probably just throw it all together. The walk round vids will probably on Faye's channel, because they're mainly involving her anyway. Saint Zero. Yeah, but most of the tour have been on roads like this. It's been great. Someone looks dead familiar, you know. Have a look. Or maybe not. Maybe not. Look at that, just random there, random in the middle of the field, garage and everything. Wasn't it? Is it more like it, isn't it? Yeah. Well folks, a little stop there before we get to Lamoto, just letting them know we're running about an hour early. It is sweltering, it's about 37 degrees, I say it's meant to be 41 tomorrow, but it feels like that now. It's ridiculous and drenched, but the bikes are running great. Faye's doing alright on the Risky Rebel. Just had a quick pop stop, bit of Coca-Cola Zero. And a butty that I'm sure we meant to cook, but we didn't, so we just ate it anyway. I'm sure it was a panini that you meant to put in a grill or an oven, but we ate it raw. But it was nice, it was alright. It didn't really taste a very great deal, did it? No. Anyway, come on, let's go finish this off. Well folks, just arrived in the local town of Fayes. It is absolutely sweltering. I don't know what degrees it is. It is sweltering hot. It's just hot. What it is, that's the degrees it is. It's hot degrees. So we're only, let's say we're only 17 minutes away. It's only 15k. It's literally round into Fayes left and then up a hill. Oh guys, I'm melting. I'm bloody melting. You alright, Faye?
Yeah.
Faye's in my ear now. She said her sat nav's not recognising road. Don't know whether it is updated. She is on a new phone, so I'm wondering whether it's got the latest maps and shit on it. I don't know. Who knows? But it's basically this road all the way there, so you can't really get lost. So once you turn onto this road, you basically stay on this, and eventually Lamoto's on your left hand side. Must be one of the best roads ever leading to a gaff. It's brilliant. Well folks, we're literally just round the corner now. Absolutely belting riding. Faye's right there, keeping up right bends. Look at her. Now I don't think Philippe's there. I've just messaged him. He said he was at the supermarket, so whether he's beat us back I don't know. I don't know. Faye will probably recognise this, like she painted all that last year. It was a cracker. But this year we'll try and not miss the turning. Twice in the past, just sailed straight past it. Using, you know, just in your own world, enjoying these roads. Next minute, oh shit, it's there. But you can see there's the dot. The dot marks the beer. So that's Lamoto there.
Oh, there it is.
Right, and there's usually a stand puck knocking about that I've put nowhere near the bike. Look at that. Touchdown. Bushak. Hey. Oh. Let me see if there's a puck for you, babe.
Yeah, go on.
Oh, I've just gone right on one and there isn't another one. Unbelievable.
Whew.
Oh, you'll have to make do with the old terra firma.
What?
I can't see any more pucks, hang on. Listen, I'm knocking about here. There's Aperol here, Aperol Spritz. I can't find any more pucks. Ah, you'll be alright on the old terra firma. How was it, babe? That road. Unbelievable. Alright, Philip. How we doing, buddy? Nice to see you again.
Yeah, thank you. Do you find yeah, okay.
I couldn't find one for Faye, but I got one. Oh, there's loads here. We'll try one of these till we find some.